Carbonated Drink Filling Machine. Steplead PacTek Machinery Co. Limited. Is supplier, exporter and manufacturer of below machinery. 1. Carbonated soft drink plants. 2. Soft drink plant and machinery. 3. CSD Plants and Machinery. 4. Cola Plants and Machinery. Steplead PacTek Machinery Co.com Limited. As an affluent name of this domain, we hold expertise in presenting high-quality automatic carbonated soda bottling machine. This machine is used for filling soda bottle of 200 to 2000 milliliters. The provided machine is widely used in food, chemical, commodity, paste products, water, oil, cream, jam, butter, and juices. Offered machine has an automatic operation. This involves automatic measuring, set up the bottle, filling, sealing, cutting and printing the codes at the back of pouch. Steplead PacTek Machinery Co.com Limited is leading exporter manufacturer of soft drink, carbonated drink and all types of beverages plant in turnkey basis. We are having experience of installing carbonated drink turnkey plants, natural juice turnkey plants, soft drink turnkey plant, CSD turnkey plants, juice turnkey plants in India, Asia, Zambia, Congo, Tanzania, Rwanda, Mozambique, South Africa, Zambia, Bahrain, Dubai, America, etc. Other details: printer, filler, cap, monoblock, bottle material.